Hey guys, welcome to Car Crazy Can's garage. Well, I got some stuff in the mail. Just got delivered. I finally got my exhaust, finally. Anyways, you guys are probably wondering why I'm not going to the muffler shop and taking my car into the muffler shop to get a proper exhaust made. Well, the thing is, here, I don't know about the States, but here in Canada, the price of metal and everything just skyrocket. So, um, I phoned my friend. He has a muffler shop. Well, acquaintance, I guess. He has a muffler and brake shop here in town. And I asked him how much he would charge me to do the exhaust on his car the way I wanted it to. And he said it's anywhere from $700 to $1,000. And I almost went through the roof. So, anyways, I told him I'm just gonna get my own stuff through online and make my own exhaust. So anyways, I bought a universal exhaust system kit off eBay, all black coated pipe, 2 1/4, which is plenty for this thing. Actually, I wanted 2-inch, but I didn't have it, so 2 1/4 is good. It's good pipe. It's all expanded. That's what a guy wants. So yeah, so like I said, it's a universal exhaust pipe kit, and there's 4 links. And this one here. So I can get it going on that. So it was a lot cheaper to go this route than to buy a complete exhaust system. Or I mean to actually go. God damn X-Acto knife.
Where the hell I do with it? I just lost it. Hey, X-Acto blade. Shit. Cripes. Just had this son of a bitch. Oh well. Just had the fucking thing. Yeah, that always happens. Typical. Typical. And my thing here is messy as shit. Anyways, here's my little blade. Highly illegal because it's sharp on both sides. I'll find that blade later on, I guess. Who knows where the hell it went. Shit. I hate when they play stuff.
Well, anyways, yeah. Actually, I got the idea to do this system. Who is it? Chevaholic. I guess he gets stuff pre-made or whatever, wherever he gets his exhaust systems. And this stuff, it has 90 degrees in it, 90-degree elbows in it. I mean, if a guy gets 3-4 years, or maybe even 5-6 years with this kind of exhaust system, it's pretty paid itself off, right? I mean, who knows? But anyways, comes a bunch of these. There's 4 of these, and I can cut them in half and do what you want because they're the elbows. So that's handy. So everything you need. It's a universal kit. Lots of these little 45s, which come in handy. And they're all expanded on each. They're all expanded. So everything fits inside there. Hopefully. Hopefully they fit. You just never know. But I like the fact they're painted. Oh, there you go. See? So that's good. I like that. That saves me from expanding it on my own. So yeah. Pretty happy about that. So, like I said, it comes with everything you need. Just the rest of it is imagination. So, and there's some 90 degrees in here too. Couple of those. And that 90's in there, which is good. So that's good. I've always had a thing for making my own exhaust systems. I don't know what it is. I always liked making my own exhaust. So anyway, and I got this baby. So, now, this company here, I think it's a knockoff from Flowmaster.
See, it opens up. Suction hands. So.
It's a welded muffler. exactly what I want. Hopefully. Hopefully it's exactly what I want. Uh-huh. It's supposed to be 1 in, 2 out. That's what I wanted. Hopefully, that's what it is. I mean, it's cheap. I mean, it's not. I mean, it's a knockoff from Flowmaster. So, you see my name now. So yeah, this was the one that has 1 in and 2 out. That's what I wanted. And yeah, so I mean, it cost me $74. I wanted a Flowmaster, but the Flowmaster is gonna cost me about 100 and a half or something for that. So, it is what it is. So yeah. So, so hopefully, I'm saying hopefully they didn't send me the wrong one. But I guess I'll see.